Hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Step by Step English. This is day 3 of our English learning journey, and today we're going to practice 100 daily use English sentences. These sentences are very simple, very common, and super useful for daily conversations. If you want to improve your spoken English step by step, you're in the right place. Listen carefully, repeat the sentences, and try to use them in your daily life. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Step by Step English for daily English practice. Let's start learning. 1. I wake up early every day. 2. I brush my teeth in the morning. 3. I drink a glass of water. 4. I go for a short walk. 5. I like fresh air. 6. I feel good in the morning. 7. I eat a healthy breakfast. 8. I prepare my bag. 9. I leave home on time. 10. I reach my office early. 11. I start my work with focus. 12. I like to stay organized. 13. I check my emails. 14. I talk to my coworkers. 15. I help others when needed. 16. I learn something new every day. 17. I try to improve myself. 18. I take short breaks. 19. I drink enough water. 20. I avoid junk food. 21. I finish my work on time. 22. I feel proud of my efforts. 23. I believe in hard work. 24. I stay positive. 25. I handle problems calmly. 26. I respect everyone. 27. I speak politely. 28. I listen carefully. 29. I ask questions. 30. I find solutions. 31. I enjoy learning English. 32. I practice speaking daily. I watch English videos. 34. I repeat sentences loudly. 35. I improve my pronunciation. 36. I am not afraid of mistakes. 37. I learn from errors. 38. I gain confidence. 39. I speak slowly and clearly. 40. I enjoy the process. 41. I return home in the evening. 42. I feel relaxed at home. 43. I wash my hands. 44. I change my clothes. 45. I talk to my family. 46. I share my day. 47. I eat dinner on time. 48. I avoid using my phone too much. 49. I spend time with loved ones. 50. I feel grateful. 51. I plan for tomorrow. 52. I prepare my clothes. 53. I write my goals. 54. I reflect on my day. 55. I think positively. 56. I forgive myself. 57. I stay motivated. 58. I believe in growth. 59. I trust the process. 60. I stay disciplined. 61. I read a few pages. 62. I learn new words. 63. I practice sentences again. 64. I revise what I learned. 65. I feel satisfied. 66. I relax my mind. 67. I avoid stress. 68. I take deep breaths. 69. I feel calm. 70. I smile more. 71. I respect my time. 72. I value my efforts. 73. I am improving daily. 74. I am becoming better. 75. I stay consistent. 76. I don't give up. 77. I trust myself. 78. I enjoy learning. 79. I feel confident. 80. I am happy today. 81. I set my alarm. 82. I go to bed early. 83. I turn off the lights. 84. I put my phone away. 85. I relax my body. 86. I clear my thoughts. 87. I feel peaceful. 88. I sleep well. 89. I dream big. 90. I prepare for success. 91. Tomorrow will be better. 92. I will do my best. 93. I will stay positive. 94. I will keep learning. 95. I will practice English. 96. I will stay focused. 97. I will work hard. 98. I will stay calm. 99. I will believe in myself. 100. I am ready for tomorrow.